on top of fake accounts, what happens when Uber's support is trying
Again.
to blame drivers for
Mhm.
using spoofing GPS and things like that, which is kind of seeming like their go-to when it comes to certain things, which is ridiculous, but still happening.
This is a very frequent email I get, Chris, because these guys are hunters, right? This guy's in my backyard, bro. Once in a while, you'll get a 25 sticky. You know what you're doing, Fight Club, all the shit that you do. You have that sticky attached. You go to a shorty, boom, right? Look at this. Look what Uber did. What is the fare that they paid this guy? $6.55, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is the upfront?
$27.55.
Yeah, they said,
That's a
"Oh, you're
hell of a
spoofing
loss
GPS.
there.
We're taking all that surge away from you." Hey, idiots in San Francisco, this is your algorithm. The guy is just playing with your algo. Why are you bitching moaning about and taking the guy's hard-earned $21? I mean, hey, it's your problem. Fix it. The guy knows what he's doing. I'd be doing this all day long. I'd be doing picking up there, dropping off there, picking up there, dropping off there.
All right.
Not the driver's problem. Okay. And when you take the money away and the driver comes to your black hole, that is the support, the black hole of all freaking black holes, they go, "Oh, you're GPS spoofing." You're accusing the driver of GPS spoofing. Do you have proof? No. The guy knows what he's doing. He grabbed the sticky. He did a shorty. Boom. He got paid. Pay the man. This is horse shit, Uber. There you go. Look what the support people are saying to this poor guy. The fuck, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want me to read that or what?
Huh?
You want me to read that?
Yeah,
Huh?
if you want. Yeah, go read it.
All right. So, as I am very apologetic, but after checking all the details of this trip is not eligible for surge because of GPS spoofing. We are extremely sorry for the inconvenience caused to you. I regret transferring the chat to supervisor. However, I will be sure to pass on the feedback that you have told me to our managerial team. Quincy, since I have already provided you with the best possible resolution, there are no further resolutions to this issue. I'm now closing this chat on my end. You can write back to us if you have any further queries. Thank you for using our live chat service. I'd be like, prove it. Where's the proof of GPS
Right there. Look
spoofing?
what the driver said, though. Look how how cool the driver stayed. I would have blown my shit if they took me
Yeah.
$21 out of it. Look what the driver said.
I accepted a contract with Uber to receive $27.55 for my services as an independent contractor. If this money is not paid to me as it should be, I will be reporting this to the Department of Labor and posting to social media and tagging employees of the company, including Dara. This contract was fulfilled for the terms that I had accepted and none other. Any issues are due to errors on Uber's end. Boom. Dropping that.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. In your face, Uber. And then this very, very accurate comment, except that I know LA, where he picked up and where he dropped off, the elevation is identical because it's a sea level to sea level. Yes, this is true. So if you guys are going to do some shenanigans, people, okay, don't spoof it when it's like up you're 1,000 feet and then drop off at and make yourself look like, if your current GPS is 1,000 feet and you spoof yourself somewhere that is at sea level, they're gonna deactivate you. I've had many friends who got deactivated doing that shit. So yeah, don't do that. Be careful doing that shit. Okay, first of all, don't accuse this guy of spoofing. I mean, okay, I mean it's bullshit. The guy knows what he's doing. He hunted the surge. He got his money. What is that? 4-mile, 8-minute trip for $27. Hey, pay the man. Shut up. Anyway, so I get a lot of these. Yeah, Uber goes, "Oh yeah, we got to accuse this guy of spoofing because how could this guy do this?" Because I'm pretty sure, Chris, on this one, Uber lost their ass on this trip. Yeah.
Oh, for sure. I mean, I don't know what the. Yeah, it
What's
doesn't show what
spoofing?
it was,
I
though.
don't know, William. I don't know anything about spoofing. It's Fight Club, William. We'll talk about that later.
First rule of Fight Club is you don't talk about Fight Club.
Exactly. Yeah, you don't talk
You know what's
about Fight
funny?
Club.
My wife put that on the other day.
Fight Club, good movie, bro.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.